Good afternoon, Valpo VUTV Weather Director Mason Gleva here with today's weather update. We're going to have near record highs today, but that's setting the stage for some stronger storms late this afternoon and evening. The main show gets in here early tomorrow morning, and then after this cold front rolls through with the chance of storms, temperatures are going to be up and down for the next week. Here's the current radar. We had that line of storms off to our west that's really kind of fizzling, but it left a little boundary. You could kind of see a little faint green line. That's the rain-cooled air. That's what these guys are currently firing on. We're going to have to watch those guys to see if they continue to strengthen. It's just about here in Valpo. Wouldn't be shocked if we start hearing thunder soon. This shower is moving through Winfield. It'll continue to move up State Road 2, get in here in the next 20 minutes or so, and then the attention turns to the evening round. Currently here in Valpo, we're at 70 degrees at the campus weather station, but the airport's where the official measurements are slightly cooler at 66 degrees. It's already 73 in Knox and in Rensselaer, 70 in Rochester, and 72 in Kankakee. So that's that warm front lifting north. We're going to be in the low to mid 70s today. Models really haven't been handling the pop-up showers and storms well. So I think they're underdoing temperatures. We're probably going to be closer to 75 than we will be to 70. If you're also walking outside, it just feels swampy out there. It feels more like a late May, early June morning with just the humidity that's in the air. Dew points in the low to mid 60s. Those will continue to overspread the area as the day goes on, and it was also part of the reason why we had so much fog around this morning. We've cleared out of the fog here. It's sort of broken sunshine ahead of those showers and storms getting ready to roll through here, but still holding on to some dense fog up there in Benton Harbor, down towards Goshen, over towards Kendallville. That will begin to clear out as the day goes on. Most of us are in a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather in this sort of dark green shade, but the far northwestern suburbs of Chicago are in a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather, where they have the better odds at seeing some of the stronger storms tonight when that line rolls through. Overall, the severe risk is low, but any of the storms that sort of pop up out ahead of that line this afternoon and evening, all hazards are on the table. Some hail up to quarter size, gusty winds, and I can't rule out a spin-up tornado or two, especially as this warm front lifts through and storms that are attaching itself to that boundary like those showers are rolling through now. So here's 3 o'clock. I think it's underdoing temperatures just because we're already here. So it's probably going to be closer to 75 here. Warm front along the state line, and then some storms ongoing in West Michigan. Those would pose a large hail threat because it's in the stable air north of the warm front. We're going to keep an eye on down here. This is trying to pop up some isolated cells ahead of the main line this evening, where all of those hazards would be on the table. The main question mark is there's a little bit of warm air that's just above our heads that might act as a lid to prevent anything from developing. So we very well could go through the rest of the day dry after this initial round of showers, and here 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is why I think the severe threat is so low, just because this line or broken line of showers and storms doesn't get in here until 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, where we'll be in the upper 50s to low 60s. But that's also our high temperature for the day tomorrow, because by dinner time tomorrow evening, we're going to be in the mid 30s, and it's going to be rather breezy, so it's going to feel like the 20s instead of the near 75 degrees that we'll have this afternoon. Cool start to Sunday. We're going to rebound well, though, back near 60 degrees. So next 24 hours, active stretch of weather. Storms get in here late. Can't rule out a strong one. Low of 62. Cold front rolls through here about lunchtime tomorrow. High temperature is 65, and then temperatures crash after that cold front rolls through. And then it's an up and down temperature swing over the next week, near 70 degrees on Monday, and then back into the 40s by Thursday.